Hi, I'm Jeremiah Sammons, Director of Education for Salon and Spa Wholesaler. So, if you're watching this video, chances are you have bought one of our head spa beds. If you've bought a head spa bed, whether it's a plumb version, a portable version, a recycled water version, or a freshwater version, you're also going to receive a steamer with your unit. So today I'd like to answer your questions about how to use the steamer. Your steamer will have come in a box like this. As well as receiving the steamer, you will have received a plastic shield, a steam shield like this. So let's go ahead and unbox this and see how we can put the two of them together. So the very first thing that we need to do is go ahead and open up our steamer. I don't know about you, but it feels like Christmas whenever I open up a new product. So let's open up our box and remove all of the pieces. So the very first thing that we have is the steamer itself. Then there's going to be a little baggie. Let's open up our little baggie and see what presents we have. So we will see a small remote control, a washer, and a itty bitty little hose. So we're going to remove this lid from the steamer itself and see what we have inside. We have a long hose, a steam diffuser bowl, and these are the parts that we have to put together for the steamer. So let's go ahead and move our box out of the way. Now, this right here is your steam shield. Some units will have the opening on the side. Some units will have the opening in the back. This one right here is on the side. So the first thing we're going to do is take our plastic washer and bolts, and I'm going to remove part of it, push the washer down all the way, and I'm going to insert this right here through the hole. I'm going to take the plastic washer and place this one on this side and then screw that right in nice and tight. What this has done is sealed both sides of the steam shield. Now, the next thing you're going to do is take your small little plastic hose and attach it to the steam diffusion bowl. So we're going to go ahead and insert that in right there. This will hang from the inside of the steam shield. Your steamer, you will fill with water until you get about right there. You're going to take the lid, insert it, make sure you give it a twist to seal it. Now remember, the steamer is a lot like a pressure cooker, so there's a lot of pressure. If you do not go ahead and seal it tightly by turning the lid, then you risk suffering burns or having water leak. This long hose will attach from the steamer itself. Let's go ahead and put that in there, nice and tight, to the outside opening of the steam shield. So when you plug this in and have steam going through, it will come from the steamer through the hose into the steam diffusion bowl on the inside. Now, one thing you want to make sure is never add essential oils or any sort of dried herbs to the steamer itself. Essential oil you'll put on a cotton round, and you can insert that into the steam diffusion bowl, as well as any herbs that you were to put in, because the steam will go through there and diffuse through the bowl. This right here is your remote control. So we're going to take it out of the packaging. We will pull the little plastic battery activator, and then you can turn on your steamer remotely during the service itself. And that's how you put together one of your steamers.